Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Monday, 16 February from St. Thomas. We're sponsored by Interlux, makers of the most effective luminaire to graze a feature wall. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. It felt like there was a lighting conference going on here because we ran into Cody Powers. He's the Genlight guy in Salt Lake City. We saw him at the beach, and separately in a restaurant, we met up with Steve Barlock of Visible Light. That's the Acuity rep in New Hampshire. It really is a small world. If policymakers want to protect consumers from rising rates and to avoid reliability crises, the path forward is clear. Build the grid faster and build it in America, so says Deborah Phillips, CEO of NEMA, in a letter to the Wall Street Journal. We link to it at edisonreport.com. Lucent Lighting, the UK-based architectural lighting manufacturer, has acquired Technical Assembly, a specialist UK lighting business. This strategic move significantly strengthens Lucent's UK manufacturing and final assembly capabilities, reinforcing the company's long-term commitment to British engineering, quality, and supply. Read that article at designinglightingglobal.com. Photometrics AI, a street lighting optimization company, is integrating real-time bird migration forecasts to automatically dim streetlights on peak migration evenings. The goal is to cut collision risk, as over 1 billion birds die annually in the U.S. from building and window strikes. We link to that story at edisonreport.com. On Friday, the Dow was up 49 points, NASDAQ dropped 50, and Acuity was down $7.74. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great week. Pray for peace.